Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the topic Roman numerals, which is first chapter of the 5th standard. Okay, firstly let us consider a clock. The clock contains some certain numbers. Okay, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, these numbers gives us the time from that watch. Also, some people use this type of watch also. This watch contain some symbols, okay? But these are nothing but a Roman numerals, because in Europe in old days the capital letters, Roman capital letters are used as a numbers. That's why these numbers are known as Roman numeral. Now the chart some gives us which number is used for which symbol, or which symbol is used for which number. That is, here is in this watch there are these the numbers are international numerals, okay, and in this these are Roman numerals. Now we understand this, the relation between these two numerals by this chart. Okay, now here is some international numerals and here is some Roman numerals. Okay, now the number 1 is described by I, okay, capital letter I. Here 2 is represented by double I, okay. 5 is represented by V. 10 is represented by X. Represent means it denote that number, okay, or for 1 I is used as a Roman numerals, okay. In that sense 20 is described by double X, 50 is described by L, 100 is denoted by C, 500 denoted by D, and 1000 denoted by M. Okay. Now there are, in this method there was no symbol for a 0. Okay. The value of symbol does not change with its place. Okay. There are certain rules for the writing numbers using the Roman numerals. Okay, now let us see how to write 1 to 20 using these rules and the symbols I, V, X. For that, the Roman number first is, there are repetition of I or X, because this rule says that if either of the symbol I or X, if either the symbol I or X is written consequently, or is written consequently 2 or 3 times, their sum total is the number of they make. That means if I or X repeated, then the number will be add in that respective number. Okay, for example here is triple I, okay, and we know that when I gives the value 1, okay, for this I there is 1, this I there is 1, and this I we take 1, and from the rule we have to add it, because there is a repetition of I here, and sum of total their total is their number they make. Okay, their sum of total is the number they make. Next, in there is double X. X, we know that from the chart X gives the value 10. Therefore X, we take the value of X is 10. Also this 10 by here, and there is a repetition of x. Therefore, we add these two numbers. Therefore, 10 plus 10, there is 20. Again, in that sense, there is double I. Therefore, one I take value 1 and second I also 1. Therefore, we add these both 1. Then 1 plus 1, then we get 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Here, there is a repetition of x, and by the rule, if there is a repetition, their sum total is the number they make. Okay, here x take value, this x take value 10, this x 10, this for this x we take 10, and by the rule we have to add it, and their sum total will be give the number they make. Then 10 plus 10 20, 20 plus 10 30. Thus triple x denoted the value of 30. Okay, now we discuss about the second rule. Second rule says that I or x, I and x repeated maximum 3 times, not more than 3. Okay, and we never repeated. The repetition of we never allowed here. Okay, did you get it? Rule number 3 says that I or v is written on the right of the symbol. On the right of the symbol of a big number. Of a big number, then the value is added in that big number. Then the value is added in that big number. Now for this rule, we take an example to better understand. There is an example here, vi. Okay, here is a symbol vi. We know that value of v by chart is 5 and I gives the value 1. Therefore, they says that I or v is right side of the, if I or v is of right side of the big number. Here, which is the big number here? Bigger number is, which is the bigger number here? Here, v is bigger than I. So, we consider bigger number v. Now, I is a right side of the v. Okay, v here, I is a right side of the v. Therefore, by the rule number 3, the number will be added in that big number. We know that we get value 5 and this is right side of the v. Therefore, it add into that number. Okay, therefore 5, v value of 5 and I, which gives value 1, is added into that 5, which gives the value 6. Therefore, we noted the value 6. Same, in the same sense, xi, we have to firstly find which value is bigger here. Okay, here x is greater than I. Therefore, bigger value is x, and we know that the value of x is 10, and x, the I is right side of the x. Therefore, it add in that x, value of x. Therefore, x give the value of 10 and I give the value 1, and it is a right side of the s, and as I is a right side of the x. Therefore, it added into that 10. Okay, 10 plus, therefore 10 plus 1 gives value 11. Now, next. Also, it is same as that these two examples. Here, we double I give. Here, the equation is, the example is v double I. We know that v is greater than is this 2i gives the value 2. Okay, we already know it because we find it. Double I gives value 2, and here v is greater than this value 2. v gives value 5 and double I gives value 2. Therefore, from this gives 5 and this gives 2. We know that 5 is greater than 2. Therefore, this double I is of right side of the V. Therefore, it is get added into that value of V. Its value get added in that V. Value of V. Okay, therefore V gives value 5, this gives 1, this gives 1, and they get added, and which gives a value 7. Here X and here is double I. We know that X gives value 10 and this double I gives value 2. Therefore, right side of the bigger value is X, and we know that by the rule, if I or V is right side of the symbol of the bigger number, then that added into that big number. So bigger number is X, and then this, so then bigger number, then we know that bigger number is X and this gives the value 2. Therefore, it is get added into that number. Okay, so X gives value 10 and we know that this gives 1 plus 1. Therefore, it is added into that 10. We get 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 1 12. Also, these are the same example like that. So now we directly going for the rule 4. Rule number 4 is same as that of rule number 3, but here there is a change in position of I and V. Okay, I here by this rule, when I written on the left side of V or X, what the rule says that when I is written on the left side of V or X, then its value is subtracted. Then its value is subtracted from the value of V or X. However, the symbol I is not written more than once before V or X. From this rule, to better understand, we take an example for that. Okay, here I and V. From the rule says that IV. Here IV. The I is written in the left side of V. Right here, I is written left side of the V na? Okay na? So it gets subtracted from the value of V. V gives value 5 and I gives value 1. So it is at left side of the V. Therefore, it gets subtracted from that value of V. So 5 minus 1, it gives 4. Therefore, this symbol gives value 4. Also, Ix. I and in between I and X, I is left side of the X. Here I is left side of the X. Therefore, we know that X gives value 10, and by the rule, it is as it is at the left side of X, it gets subtracted from that value of X. Therefore, X gives value 10, I gives value 1. Therefore, 10 minus 1 by rule, which gives us value 9. Also, this is also in that sense. Here XLV, there are the symbol is XLV. In this case, okay, here L gives the value 50 from the chart. We already discussed about the chart now. L gives the value 50. Here V is a right side of the L. We know that L gives the value 50, X gives the value 10, and V gives the value 5. Now we know that the value of L is greater than these both of them is greater than X and V. Now here L is, V gives the value 5 and L gives the value 50. So 5 plus 50 gives 55. And x is the left side of this value, then we know that the value of x is 10 and this is 55. Therefore, as it is at the left side of that symbol, therefore it gets minus or it gets subtract from that value. You know that. Therefore, this value gives 55 and this gives 10. Therefore, as it is at the left side, therefore it gets minus from the 55. Therefore, 55 minus 10 will gives 45. Hence, all the 4 rules are completed here. Now, by this, and we can see how to write 1 to 20 numbers, and also we can find other numbers too. Okay, so we will discuss about the problem set 1 of the Roman numerals on the basis of these rules and that chart. So if you like my videos, then click the like button and share this video to your friends and subscribe my channel to get more videos from this channel. Thank you.